So we're here today to tell you about a really special event coming up on October 19th. It's our Wabash Valley-based Community Council Fall Fundraiser, and it's an event called the Battle of the Branches. This is a 5-event competition that is really only open to currently serving National Guard, Reserve, and veterans. So the 5 events: pistol shooting with the new M17 pistol, and rifle with the M4, and then we have a first aid event that Regional Hospital is sponsoring. We can't really talk about it much because, well, we don't want to let the cat out of the bag, all right? We're gonna have climbing at our new climbing cafe. Also, we're gonna, just to round it out with 5 events, we're gonna have cornhole toss or cornhole bag toss. So it's gonna be an individual event. Everybody does the best they can. At the end of the day, they take their scores and they average them up. It only costs $10, right?
But you get a lot for that $10.
Yeah, so what's the $10? What do you get, Michelle?
You get all your ammunition is included, all your targets are included, you get a t-shirt, you get a challenge coin, and you get a discount on your lunch at the awesome Rollies Pizza.
It's a fundraiser event, but during the fundraiser, we're gonna be doing 50-50 drawings. We're gonna have some giveaways. And of course, you know, you come into Top Guns, there's always some good things to look at and do, but you get to come in and shoot, climb, do some fun things, and represent your branch. So, don't forget, you sign up on the Eventbrite, link down below, and get on there. You can pay online, you can choose which branch you're representing, and don't forget, go to the Eventbrite, link right below.
If you don't get a chance, there are sign-ups. Stay up and get here early because it's going to be a lot of fun and there's going to be a lot of people.
So come on out, participate, buy some 50-50 tickets, get a chance to win some giveaways that day. But more than anything, support your Wabash Valley-based Community Council because we're here to support the military in our community. All right,
great.
Let's do it.